Foundries all across North America rely on Green Packaging Incorporated, the industry's only VCI bag for the protection of cast metals. Whether you are producing castings of ductile iron, gray iron, or any other ferrous or non-ferrous alloys, we have the correct VCI products to provide premium protection against rust on your valuable castings. Unlike other companies' multi-metal VCI formulas, our proprietary nitrite-free, heavy metal-free VCI formulation is formulated specifically for cast metals and is extremely effective in preventing rust on your castings. Guaranteed. Green Packaging Incorporated is a corporate member of the American Foundry Society and an active member and supporter of the Ductile Iron Society. We also contribute annually to the FEF Scholarship Fund. We give back to the metal casting industry, and it is safe to say that no other VCI company is as involved in the industry as much as Green Packaging Incorporated. Contact us today for your free corrosion consultation, samples, or a price quotation. We'll end your rust problems once and for all.